Yeah. Fuck off, you fucking prick!
Wait, it's recording. Do not drop my phone in that water.
Come on! We're fucking flooded, Wendy. I'm trying to bin stop fucking cars driving through for 20 minutes, the thick bastards. In the house, fucking that high upstairs. We're fucked, aren't we? We can't even open front door for about another 7 hours.
I'm not even fucking insured. Come on, you stupid freak. How did they get that away? We're fucking up. What?
What?
How do you think this is?
Yeah?
He's kicking things over and everything.
Come on, get the grids up. Come on, move.
We fucked it. I bet you don't even know what to do.
And there's
Simon, you're
fucking
gonna drop the phone. Shut up.
There's a grid in here, in the garden.
You're gonna drop the phone.
Right, no point stressing with him, man.
It's not their fault, is it?
It took long enough to fucking get here.
Yeah. Rushes. Miley! Is that Miley? No, Miley's over there.
How's your house? How's your house?
You're on a slope, so it's alright though, aren't you? It'll roll down. Look at him searching for drain. It's up there, yeah? Tiffany, don't worry, I'm not going to drop your phone, but this is a fat video.
Simon, it's right now, because if you drop my phone...
Can't open the door.
Why does it come through yours?
Rog, you better make a
In my
joint.
lobby and kitchen. It's in our lobby, living room and kitchen. You'll be coming to replace some of these houses tomorrow.
They fucking won't. They won't do nothing about it. This is well bad, this, isn't it? We're
We're not
fucked.
even doing anything, fucking Roger doing that job.
We can't find the grave.
There's one just up there near that car.
We've got that with Paulie.
Dad, watch my phone. Find my hand.
It's well.
Dad, get my phone.
It's just above the door.
Only oh yeah, look at them, they're alright, aren't they? They're fucking loving it.
Water's not going to flood anyway, it's too high, they're high up. It's here, we're low. Even though we're on a high thing, but we're low, that here.
Yeah? Yes, right through and all kitchen, living room, the lot. We're not insured either. I've just done my bedroom and glad it didn't get out bad. They've drained most of it there, but how are they going to drain all this? We're going to be the last people.
I need to get out.
It's alright, I'm sorting this out, innit? What about us?
What time is it?
4:47. What's that thing? Go on then, Keely, you're on news!
What?
You're on the news, Keely!
Keely!
Yeah? Yeah, mate.
You reckon it'll be up noon, yeah?
I'm gonna put it on. Whip, shadsworth.
You're gonna drop my phone!
Abba Williamson, over and out.
You're gonna drop my phone!
Am I active in here?
What the fuck is this?
Inside.
Yeah.
Who's last time on my mum's settee for a night?
Adam, I thought your car were gonna float about.
I know, mate. Fucking hell.
Oh yeah, empty the elements out, you know, put a bit more water on fucking street. They blocked the road off. Now look, blocking the road off.
Yeah, mate. What you feel great?
There's one here, mate. There's a big in here.
What it is, flooding on top, you're actually lowering, coming out to it, mate, not going down it. Right. That much water on top road, you're lowering, fucking pumping out it over. Right.
I will, I won't drop it, fucking hell. Cause it's funny.
I'm flooded! I can't get out! I've got to go to school in an hour to perform and I can't get out! I'm meant to be singing in an hour at school! Look at
Suction pipes,
That's
yeah,
it.
about time, look, suction pipes.
Terry, can you get in your hands?
Oh yeah,
Oh, this is like...
oh, Tiffany, I think they're getting ladders to get us out, look. Oh, you might have to get our windows. Go on, we're getting our windows.
Video in it.
What? Oh, there's some more on way, I think, because I can hear more sirens.
Why have you got the flash button and put it back?
Obviously, they're thinking wrong, they don't know what to do, did they? Look, there's another one here now. Whoop, whoop. Shad Road's flooded as well, man. Going right into it, look at this. Oh, it just missed that sign, check it out. Whoop, whoop, whoop. They were gonna rag it then, man. Haha, look at that guy on his bike expecting to get past.
Fucking sun coming out!
Not a fucking chance. It's alright for you can get out. Oh, so can we actually, it's gone below the door now. Come on, I'm going out.
Oh, you need to get out!
Video.
Go through that fucking door and through your door.
Why are you looking at there like that?
Simon! Watch my phone! Yeah?
Diamond, get in. Fuck, man. I'm just...
Simon, don't go with it.
What?
I won't make it out.
Well, you can walk through this now, it's not as bad. Well, they're going to have to drain this soon. Look, they're trying to get the suction things on. They're trying to block the road to stop it coming through.
Oh my god.
We're fucking absolutely flooded, literally. Yeah, they'll give us lino, won't they? They'll give us that lino. Bet you, lino all the way through the house. Wait, watch this. Can you see?
Get in!
Up here. Yeah, right, Marlo, get in.
Simon, you move. Get off. There's my foot now. Not my foot.
Fella, there's someone after you. Matt, chuck them out. Chuck them upstairs. Get in, bed. Get in your bed. I'm gonna... Come on, girl.
You stupid thing.
They can fucking swim.
No, they can't. You think big pots, they cannot swim. I had to check them out.
Get in your bed, girl. Yeah, right through kitchen, the lot. It's all in the living room. We had to lift PC off floor. But I will do. Just climb over it. Yeah. It's up here a bit, not proper spuddly. It's up to there on me in there, look. What?
Watch my phone, coming to my phone.
What? You'll have to have me. Mum, make me a fag. Go on. Diamond, in your bed, girl. Diamond, get in bed. Look at it. seats behind door and that. Straight through, flooded. Rain. Gonna be on news.
No.
That's that, mate. They got it, run! Be off camera. Be on Crime Watch.
Stuck in your house, too. Oh, you should be walking.
I'll go and view it, I'll look after it.
Adam, save me on a fight. Mum, will you make me a rollie? I can't walk in with fucking this like this, look. You can do if you want to get pissed away. Look at his rigamoves on. Through one pipe and then down the street into another drain what's not flooded. It's throwing it back out underneath. Isn't it, man? Oh, you should have seen it gushing in, man.
Come down in taxi.
Yeah, I know, I seen you get out of taxi and that, and I shouted, you can't fucking get in.
Has it gone in my living room?
Yeah, right through the house, mate. We have to lift computer off the floor. Will be, yeah. If it's gone through your hallway door. Has it? Oi, get in! Marlow, Diamond, in! Come on!
I need my phone. I'm going.
Right, Tiffany, how do you stop the video? Make sure